What's up, Brian?
Sup?
We have a bunch of wick wires parts for the Cougar. The like headlight doors that kind of flip down. Those are all painted black.
I love Cougar parts.
I got whatever this thing is. I don't really know what this came from. I know it's a Cougar though.
Yeah, I heard Cougars. Is that what you said?
So I love Cougar parts.
Oh.
So we're gonna get some black here. So we got that there. Let that dry. I'm gonna flip these over once that side's dry. Do the other side. All the headlight cups coming out pretty good. The headlight cups took a while to clean because we had to get inside, and of course you can't do that with the wire wheel, so you have to sit there by hand and do it with the Scotch-Brite pad. And we got this thing, which is like a little rag joint for the flip down headlight. It goes on the side there. Shh.
Sorry.
And then the other two. But yeah, that's it.